Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Page. Today we will be looking at Ethereum overview. 1. Smart contracts. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Smart contracts enable decentralized applications to run on the Ethereum blockchain, providing transparency, security, and trustlessness. 2. Ether, ETH. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform, used to compensate participants who perform computations and validate transactions on the network. It is also commonly used as a means of value exchange within the Ethereum ecosystem. 3. Decentralized applications, dApps. Ethereum allows developers to create decentralized applications, which run on its blockchain without the need for a central authority. dApps can be designed for various purposes, including finance, gaming, supply chain management, and more. 4. Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. The EVM is a runtime environment for executing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It ensures that code is executed consistently across all nodes on the network, promoting a secure and trustless environment. 5. Upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. Ethereum is undergoing a significant upgrade known as Ethereum 2.0, or ETH 2.0, which aims to improve scalability, security, and sustainability. The transition involves moving from a proof-of-work (POW) to a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism. 6. DeFi and NFTs. Ethereum has played a crucial role in the rise of decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, allowing users to engage in financial activities without traditional intermediaries. The platform also gained prominence with the advent of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which represent ownership of unique digital assets. 7. Challenges. Ethereum faces challenges related to scalability, high transaction fees, and environmental concerns associated with the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, addressed by Ethereum 2.0. 8. Community and development. Ethereum has a vibrant and active community of developers, contributors, and users who continue to drive innovation and improvement on the platform. Ethereum has significantly impacted the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, serving as a foundation for the development of diverse and decentralized applications. It remains an important player in the ongoing evolution of the decentralized internet.